Part 6. The perimeter and area of different figures. You will find this on page 204 in the Namibia Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. Always use 3 steps to do these calculations. Write down the formula, substitute using brackets, and then do the calculation. Okay, the perimeter. It's the distance around the figure, the area, the whole inside. Okay, let's start with a triangle. The height and the base must make a 90-degree angle. This is the base, this is the height, and there is the 90-degree angle. Any side can be the base. So this is the base. Now, if I cannot do the base inside, I can extend this line and also indicate the base outside. As long as the base and the height make a 90-degree angle. The height can be drawn outside the figure. Okay, what is the formula for the perimeter? You just add up all the sides. So find the perimeter. It's just adding up all the sides. So it's 4 plus 6 plus 7, and that will be 17 centimeters. Let's just look at the area. The area is half base times height. So find the area. This is the base and this is the height. So I write down the formula, I do the substitution in brackets, and then I use my calculator to find the answer. Okay, you can stop the video and do try now 6a as well as try now 6b. As soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Let's start. Try now 6. Let's start with number A. If we look at this figure, we can see it's a triangle. Now, due to that little lines, if this side is 6, then this side will also be 6. So the perimeter is just add up all the sides. Basically, it's just going to be 6 plus 6 plus 7, and that's going to give me an answer of 19 centimeter. If we look at number B, it's another triangle. Calculate the area. Now, what is the area of a triangle? Is half base times the height. So it's half. What is the base? The base is 6. What is the height? The height is 4. So if I say 6 times 4, that will be 24 and a half. So it's 12 centimeter square. And that's the area of the triangle. Let's continue. Okay, let's go through the square. The square, all the sides will be equal. So let's go through example 7. So in this case, calculate the perimeter. So if all the sides are equal, it's just 4 times s, which will be 4 times 6, and that will be 24 centimeters. If I ask you the area, it's side times side, so it's 6 times 6, which will be equal to 36 centimeters square. Again, I want you to stop the video and do try now 7a as well as try now 7b. Let's start with number A. Calculate the perimeter of this. So the perimeter of a square, first write down the formula always, and you have to memorize it. So in this case, it's just going to be 4s. And in the place of the side, we're just going to substitute that 15. And that's going to give an answer of 60 centimeter. And then if we look at number B, if I ask you the area, So the area of a square is equal to side square. So if I write down the side, if I look at this, it's still the 15, then it's 15 square, and that means 15 times 15, and that will be 225 centimeter square. Okay, let's look at the next one. Let's move it up a little bit. The rectangle. The rectangle, the opposite sides, they will be equal. So what's the perimeter? It is 2. I must add up the length plus the breadth and multiply it by 2. Or 2 length plus 2 breadth. Okay, let's look. Calculate the perimeter. So if I look at this, I just say 4 plus 2, that's 6 times 2, and that's 12. Or I can say 2 times 4 plus 2 times 2, which is 8 plus 4, and that's 12 centimeter. If I look at the area, it's length times breadth, so it's just 4 times 2, which is 8 centimeters square. Again, I want you to stop the video and do try now 8A as well as try now 8B. Just make space. Okay, let's start. Try now 8. Let's start with number A. Calculate the perimeter. So the perimeter is 2 length plus 2 breadth. I'm going to use this one. So if I look there, there is the length and there is the breadth. So basically it's 2 and then it's that 17 plus and then it's 2 and it's that 13. And if I multiply this, this will be 34 plus 26. And if I add it up, I will get an answer of 60 centimeter. And if I look at number B, that's number B, calculate the area. So the area of a rectangle, it's always good to write it. So the area of a rectangle, you could have also write it there, fill it in there. And that is length times breadth, which is going to be 17 times 13. And that's going to give me an answer of 221. And this is going to be centimeter square.